Good morning, students. I hope all of you are healthy and staying safe at your homes and doing your work regularly which is given to you. Today we will start the first chapter of your English literature book, that is chapter number 1, The Moonlight Sonata. This story is written by a famous writer from stories of great musicians Catherine Louise Kubi and Olive Brown Horn. Children, the story tells about the famous musician named Ludwig van Beethoven. He was a great composer and pianist who was born in the German city of Van. Moonlight Sonata is a piano sonata. So children, in this chapter you will be reading how Beethoven composed the famous Moonlight Sonata. So composed means a person who writes music. Children, so let's begin the story. You have to read the paragraph, then pause the video and hear the exclamation. Read the first paragraph, children. Now children, here Ludwig van Beethoven was the greatest German composer. Composer here means the people who write music, and in fact whole world considered him as one of the most greatest writer of the music. Now children, read the next paragraph. One day in the moonlight evening, one of the friends of Beethoven came to his house. He offered Beethoven to go for a walk in the evening. Now read the next paragraph. So the two friends started roaming here and there in the streets, through the streets of Vienna. Then they were going to go through a very narrow street. Then Beethoven at once stopped for some time in front of a small cottage. He said to his friend to stop talking for some time. Children, you know what he noticed? He noticed a music was coming from a cottage, and that was from his most famous composition named Sonata in F. He said that how nicely it is being played. Now children, read the next paragraph. So then the music continued playing. At the end of the musical sonata, the music stopped for some time and slow sounds of the music started coming. Read the next paragraph, children. Now all of you must be knowing what do you mean by a concert. A concert means a musical performance. So when Beethoven just stood outside the cottage listening to the conversation going inside the room, he could listen that the girl was talking, that she could not play the music further. She did not have the power to play the music like it would have been played. She wished that she would get a chance to attend the musical performance of Beethoven. Now children, read the last paragraph. So another voice was coming from the home. That was the girl's brother. He was saying to his sister, "Why are you wishing for a thing which is impossible? As we are very poor and they could hardly pay their rent." Now read the first and the second paragraph. The girl agrees with the words of his brother, but still she has shown the desire that still one day she will listen to good music. After hearing the talks between the boy and the girl, Beethoven makes up his mind to go inside the cottage. He just looked at his friend and said that he wants to go inside and play the music that the girl was playing. He was greatly touched by the music of the girl. So he will go and play the music for her and she would know more about the music. Now read the last paragraph, children. So children, here the word pale means light color. When Beethoven and his friend entered the room, what did they see? They saw a light colored man was sitting by the table and making the shoe, and near him the girl was kneeling here. Kneeling means bending in sad mood upon an old type of musical instrument which was similar to a piano. Both the young man and the girl were both shocked when they saw some strangers at their room. Now read the first paragraph, children. So when he came on the gate of the cottage, he just asked the permission and said that he was attracted by the music. So he came inside and introduced himself as a musician. Now read the next paragraph. So when Beethoven appreciated the girl blushed and the young man was shocked. Beethoven said that he heard the conversation which was going inside, so he came to here to play the music for that girl, and he is asking a permission that if he could give a concert to that girl. Now read the next paragraph, third and the last one. So Beethoven's behavior was so friendly that soon the anger of the young man changed into smile, and he said, "Thank you," but he said that our musical instrument is of very poor quality and it could not produce the music that he wanted to play. So here Beethoven was surprised that no music was there and how could this girl play, and he stopped for a minute and had a look on the girl, and that time he came to know for the first time that the girl was completely blind. Now children, read the first paragraph. So here Beethoven felt sorry for the girl and said that he had not noticed this earlier, but he was surprised that it means that she could not only listen and play the music. Now read the next till the end. Then Beethoven was curious to know that from where that girl had learned the music. He said that if she had no lessons, how could she play so wonderfully? The girl answered that she could listen to a lady practicing lessons near her home during the summer season. So the girl properly told that how she learned the music after listening to her. Beethoven just sat on the harpsichord and started playing the music. So students, this is the first part of the story. So we understood how Beethoven was deeply moved by the girl's interest for the music and how she was completely loyal to learn the music. Now, the moral that we learn from the half of this chapter is that if there is a will, there is a way. Here, the girl had a will to learn music even though she was blind. So, I will end this part 1 of the story. Thank you students, and read this part 1 of the story again and revise it properly.